If you're experiencing an installation loop with Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. This includes checking the operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Navigate to your system's temporary files and delete any unnecessary files. You can do this by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and selecting the appropriate drives to clean. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Sometimes, antivirus or firewall settings can interfere with the installation process. Temporarily disable these programs and try to install the game again. Remember to enable them afterward. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, uninstall Cyberpunk 2077 completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue with Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.